As we usher in the season of gratitude and thankfulness, I wanted to create a collection that not only gathers family and friends back around the table, but creates those memories that will last you a lifetime. Meet my Thanks and Giving collection. I designed this with beautiful hammered textures, watercolor details in the beautiful oranges and blues of the pumpkins, as well as solid blue and white pieces that coordinate perfectly. So you have the key pieces to create that meal and make that meal in all of our great stoneware, but then I gave you all of those beautiful accessory pieces to set a table, whether it be the gorgeous hammered dinnerware, as well as the fiber optic candles, even the adorable turkey figural soup tureen. Although this looks like your fine china, you don't have to baby it. It's the same stoneware that you've been loving, so you can still put it in the refrigerator and the freezer. It still goes in the oven up to 500 degrees. You can microwave in it. My favorite part, of course, is that you can also put it in the dishwasher. Because let's face it, when family and friends are visiting, we just want to spend time together.